Are you missing some of the default apps at the bottom of your iPhone screen, like for phone or messages? Let me show you how to get those back. Okay, so we all grow dependent on shortcuts for some of our most commonly used apps. Maybe you move the app onto another page, into one of your folders, or perhaps you accidentally deleted it. Don't worry, you're not alone. So what we're going to do is go into the Settings app. Scroll down if necessary until you see the General option. Click on that. Scroll all the way down to the Reset option and click on that as well. Now, there are many reset options here, and it's important you choose the correct one. You want to click on the Reset Home Screen Layout option. One of the side effects of doing this reset is that any folders you had set up on your phone to organize your apps will be gone, so everything will need to be reorganized. Go ahead and click the confirmation prompt where it says Reset Home Screen, and then you're all set. Check it out! Your missing icons have been restored. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. If you're interested in seeing more tech tutorials, please subscribe to my channel now.